Yummy banana.
What's the date today?
Why do you like banana mods?
What's the date today?
29. It's gonna be Conchi's birthday, so what's your gift to Conchi?
October 29, 2011.
Baking powder?
Why?
I'll greet Concha here. Come on, let's show. Dali.
Hello, Concha. This is...
Sagay ka.
Come on, tell anything.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. What's your gift to her?
Baking powder. Those can bake cookies or any stuff you want. So...
Okay, sasend ko na lang yung baking powder mo. Kasi sabi sa'yo, regalo namin sa'yo. Or better yet, I think meron pa akong baking powder dyan. Kunin mo. Yun na yun.
That's
Right?
it?
That's it?
And I'm getting really cold here
Because?
because of the fan, and I ate ice cream and I ate really cold juice, like frozen juice. I ate that.
Alright. That's good. Are you finished?